Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Ein in Gacha Online. To begin, launch the Gacha Online game on Roblox and head straight into the character customization menu. This is where all the magic happens. We'll start by focusing on 3 key areas: hair, eyes, and clothing. Getting these foundational elements right is crucial for capturing Ein's distinct look. We'll go through each step carefully to ensure you achieve the best possible resemblance. Next, let's dive into Ein's signature hair and facial features. For the hair, you'll want to find a short, spiky style, preferably in a deep black color. This is a defining characteristic. Then, move on to the eyes, select a vibrant red color and a sharp, intense shape to replicate his piercing gaze. Don't forget to slightly furrow the eyebrows to convey his serious demeanor. These details truly bring the character to life. Now, let's focus on Ein's distinctive attire. You'll want to select a dark, fitted jacket or a similar top that conveys a sleek, somewhat tactical look. Complement this with a pair of dark pants and sturdy boots to complete the lower half of his outfit. To add those crucial finishing touches, look for any available armbands, gloves, or other small accessories that match his aesthetic. These elements will significantly enhance the overall accuracy of your creation. Finally, it's time for some last-minute refinements and to save your masterpiece. Take a moment to carefully review your entire character, comparing it to reference images of Ein if you have them. Make any minor adjustments to colors, sizes, or positions to ensure everything looks just right. Once you are completely satisfied with your creation, remember to save your new Ein character to your Gacha Online profile so you can use him in the game. Enjoy playing as Ein.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.